I want to be a YouTube star, I think, but I don't know how to get started. What do I do? What do I use? How do I get started? I wonder. Fear no more, because I'm here to let you know how to exactly do that. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Low Key the GOAT. Yes, the GOAT. Yes, the guys officially are that. And I'm here to show you how to build a YouTube channel and what you need to get started. So stick around and I'm going to show you how to do just that. Now, contrary to what most people believe, that you need some type of fancy audio setup and technical stuff and all of this fancy other gadgets and gadgets and stuff, wrong. All you need is 5 simple things. 1, a camera. 2, some type of microphone to help pick up your audio. 3, lights. 4, a tripod. And 5, good quality content. Me personally, I like to bargain shop. So I'm not paying all this money and stuff for all this stuff just to shoot videos. Like for the quality of this video right here, I'm actually just using my phone. It's that simple. You can use a phone. But if you don't want to use a phone and you actually got extra money laying around, you can go ahead and pay for one of the bigger brand, Sony, Canons, Nikon, any of those big things. But for me personally, I just use simple stuff. Like for instance, this Nikon right here, it's an old camera pretty much. But I actually picked this up from the pawn shop. Yes, the pawn shop. And it wasn't even expensive. It was only 40 bucks. Can you believe that? 40 bucks. So yeah, I picked that up just to shoot some things. So when I'm on the move and stuff, it came with a little strap and a little do. So if I wanted to be on the move out in the world, if I wanted to just take pictures or whatnot, or make videos or whatever, came with the strap, I could be mobile with it, So that right there, simple. 40 bucks, got it from the pawn shop. Nothing fancy. Now the second camera I actually use, it's a little bit more advanced, but it's it's not technical, whatnot, but it's actually something I got off of Amazon. It shoots up to 2.7K, so it gets good quality videos. I don't know if you can see, it's probably the light blinding you, but yeah. But the cool thing about this though is it actually has a mode where if I wanted to be outside at night, I could shoot videos, at night. It's probably showing up as a blur on this one, but yeah. And that right here, this camera actually ran me like 65, 70 bucks off of Amazon right there. So it's nothing fancy. It just gets the job done. If you want to be shooting on the move, I suggest you getting something like a GoPro. Like if you're doing action shots or something like that and trying to do like, content where you're moving a lot. Actually, I suggest getting some type of form of GoPro. I actually got this off of Amazon as well. It shoots, as you can see, up to 4K. And it's small, it's manageable. Like, it's really manageable. I could shoot a lot of things with this. And it doesn't have to necessarily be shot in 4K. I actually shoot in 1080 on most things. Like, well, each camera that I got shoots in different frames. The Nikon, I believe, it shoots up to 720. So I use that. I rarely use it, so I'm not even gonna lie. I use it though. That was the first camera I actually started using. So the one I got off of Amazon, the first one, it doesn't even have name brand. I think it's a Dragon something, but no, this is the Dragon. I said that wrong. This is the Dragon. Sorry, y'all. But this shoots up to 4K, 1080, 720 as well. And this actually shoots up to 2.7K, which I rarely use any of those anyways because they take up too much space. Which reminds me, make sure you guys, if you do use a camera, that you get SD cards suitable for the camera that you're using. Like, that can make the difference in all your videos, because if you get SD card that's not suited for that type of camera, your quality and imaging is going to be kind of grainy, and it's not going to pick up everything that you want it to pick up. So make sure you get a SD card that's suitable for whatever you're using. Now, on to the next thing. The second thing I suggest you get is a tripod. Some type of tripod. I can't actually show you. I'm actually using one of my big tripods right now to shoot this. So my phone is actually sitting on the tripod. And it's like a little $20 tripod you can get up from Walmart. So I actually use that. But if you're on the move and you want to do like vlogging or something like that, I suggest you invest in some type of small tripod. You know, I actually got this one off of Amazon. This actually came with a deal, so it came with a mount as well. So I'm using the mount right now. You can't see inside the frame, but this tripod right here, it came with a couple of features. It actually came with a Bluetooth remote controller. So this pops out right here, and if you're shooting on your phone or whatever, you can go ahead and link it to your Bluetooth and get your video going that way. And it's real simple, but I suggest you get some type of tripod to help stabilize, you know, stabilize whatever that you're shooting. And yeah, that's pretty much that for that. Now, the third thing I would suggest you getting, which is pretty much the most important thing to video shooting for YouTube, is invest in lighting. Like, I'm actually in a dark room right now. The sun's up. It's actually pretty early, but I got the, you know, window closed and blind. It's not blinds technically, but I'm in the project, so what can you say? But yeah, I'm actually using lighting in the background, and this is the actual second one I'm using right here. I got this actually off of Amazon as well. This actually plugs into the wall, so it's a can't even say LSD light, but it works pretty good, and it keeps, you know, keeps you illuminated so that you have good lighting for your videos. But I also have a mobile one that I could attach to any one of my cameras or my mount actually, and it's actually battery operated for this one. So when I'm on the move, I actually use this, and I get good shots when I'm in dark, or if I need to use it in the dark for that matter, if I'm not actually using the 2.7K, which I actually have night vision on, so it's a rarity that I use that actually at night. But the third thing I suggest, that third thing was actually lights. Okay, I guess. So the fourth thing I would say to invest in is some type of microphone to record your audio. And I'm just noticing right now that the microphone actually slipped out while I'm recording this, so it's not going to be as good like audio as it could be, but it's get the job done, I guess. But yeah, invest in some type of little microphone, boom mic or whatever, so you can pick up your audio a little bit better. But this right here, simple mic, actually, you know, you can adjust the, you know, decimals on it. But I got this off of YouTube. This came with another packaging thing that I got. But yeah, audio is a big part of your videos too. So if you want to have a good, you know, a good sound and make sure that everything gets picked up, I suggest you investing in a microphone so that, you know, your audio comes out sounding fantastic. Everybody can hear you. You don't have any breaks and sounds or anything like that. Now, the final thing that you're going to need to do to be successful on YouTube is very simple. And it's a secret that most people don't know. Come here. Let me tell you something. Come close. Yo. The fifth thing, which is most important, just get up and shoot something. Like, seriously. All you got to do, have some creative content, get up, start shooting. If you don't start shooting, you'll never know. Like, you can sit around all day procrastinating, debating, oh, well, you know, I want to do this, I want to do that. Get up and just start shooting. Like, it doesn't matter what you shoot, as long as you have some content for your fan base or subscribers to follow, and it's good, I mean, you're going to pick up the views. So just get up and start shooting something. And there you have it, guys. I'd like to thank you guys for checking out the video and tuning in. Go ahead, like I said, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and go ahead, turn on notifications, smash it all day and night, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you want to follow my other content, I make other videos as well. If you want to check out some of my how-to videos, you can check the link right here. And if you guys want to go ahead and see some of my comedy skits and other work, go ahead right here. Make sure you guys follow me on YouTube, Instagram, you know, check the links out right here. Everything should be right here. So, like I said, thanks again for tuning in, guys. I'll get out with you another time. Low key to go, and we out.